Hi guys. So let's do the nose. Okay, noses, it has like very little line drawing and it's almost all shading. So what I'm gonna do first, again, I'm gonna draw my lines out on my nose over here, okay? And they should be somewhat symmetrical, okay? Just like that. This one's a little different, okay? And if you can see, look, they're different. If you see the lines, they're different. And then the same one with right here. So this one, you can barely see a nostril, okay? Because it must be off on an angle, something like that. Okay, there's that. All right, so now I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, I'm gonna kind of go, and then this, see right here? Slightly lower. You can always draw a little box if you want, okay? So again, see this? Slightly lower. And if you're a little bit off, don't worry about your sketch. This is just a sketch. You can always measure the angles of the nostril, see? Okay. My angles are right. And then I'm gonna come right here. You can see that it's kind of, see, angle, angle. I'm gonna come up. See? Now, if you want to make a boxy, that's fine, and then you can come back and round out the shape. And then this one goes a little more up like that, and then kind of like that. See what I'm talking about? And see the angles? So we're going to kind of go like that. Okay. Now, these are not black dots. Your nostrils are tunnels. Believe it or not, they're tunnels. Now, I have the bottom of my nose. That's all I need to draw. The rest is shading. Now, see how I hold my pencil? I personally do it this way because I feel like it's easier. So I have to just shade. So I'm just gonna draw this part onto the paper. Okay? So angle, angle. And you match it up on the same side. Okay, and now I'm gonna come right here, and then I'm gonna shade. And now, do you see how I shade? I shade my lines like this because that's how it looks going downhill. Well, it's going downhill. So there's that, okay? Same thing on the other side, just opposite. And then I kind of round this one out inside when I shade because the nose is round. The ridges of your nose are a hill, so treat it like such, okay? And then right here, okay? There's that. And then I'm gonna make that super dark right there. And I go light. Super dark right there. And again, I can always adjust. Okay, and then there's some shadows. Because the nose is blocking light. So it's gonna go like this. We're gonna go soft shadows, okay? Soft shading. I can always make it darker. Soft shading. I'm gonna come back over here. And then I'm gonna kind of draw my lines a little bit darker so I can see that it's a nose. I'm gonna come, and now I'm just gonna take my Q-tip and I'm gonna shade, okay? And again, just the same way, when I'm on the nose right there, I shade like that. I shade back and forth like that because it's like a hill, okay? I'm gonna go like that. That's personal choice. Some people shade a little different. It's okay. And then right here, I'm gonna just kind of blend. Okay. Now, if I want, I'm gonna erase back a little bit. Okay. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. It just has to be good enough. And I can just blend that in. And light. And then, there you go. There's your nose. See, this nostril looks a little better. I'm going to make this one a little better. I'm going to darken it up a little. Okay, and then, see? It's weird, so I'm gonna erase back. I'm gonna draw that line. Okay. Because you have lines on the bottom and the rest is all shading. And there's my nose, all done.